Alrighty guys, this is Moto One Fusion's retail box. We have M, which is reminiscent of old Moto devices. Here's all the specifications. Motorola One Fusion. This is a perfect device for Motorola. Unfortunately, these types of phone are not many. This is a perfect Moto device. Besides this device, every other Moto device is a waste. Like Moto One Action, Moto One Vision. All those phones are crappy, but this one is a major go. Alright, let's do this unboxing here. Let's find out what we have here. So flipping open the box like this, we have the device. This is Moto One Fusion Moonlight White. I would have loved the blue variant, but this phone is my sister's choice of color, but so bear with me here. A fucking white color. Okay. Now it's nice to see Motorola included a TPU case within the phone. So a transparent, well-built, strong TPU case. This is a very good transparent TPU case. This is not cheap. This is no cheap cover. This is exactly what we want. A perfect, strong TPU case. Alright. Front side of the phone, we have the specification written here. Let's speed this off. A moment of silence for the plastic. Alright. Boom. This is the device. Okay. Motorola One Fusion. So let's keep this aside and find out what else we have here in the box. Alright. So yeah. Removing this compartment here. Let's go underground. You have your SIM ejection pin here. Very important. Some paper trash. Motorola. Well, you don't know here. Go to trash. Who reads that? Charging brick by Motorola. Moto branded charging brick. This is very important. Okay. I think it's 18 watt. Let's find out. USB Type C. Alright. What else we have here? Nothing. Headphones would have been nice, but see, nothing over here. Absolutely nothing. Alright, let me boot this up and I'll come back right away. Okay guys, let's see the build quality and overall look of the phone, and let's go to the booting process. Fingerprint sensor in the Moto dimple here. Power key is nicely coated. It's a hard coated power key. Volume rockers is traditional. Feels a little bit cheaper here. And the power key. And here is another Google Assistant button, I think. So this is another hard key. Alright. Moving on the top, you have this tray of SIM cards and memory cards. Going into the bottom, you have single bottom firing speakers, USB Type C, main microphone, and USB headphone jack. 3.5mm headphone jack. Nothing on the right side, plain white. But I hate this one. Moonlight white. Disgusting. Okay, let me boot up this device first. Let's boot it. Alright, booting up. You have your pop-up camera over here, so no ugly notch. Alright, we'll be back.